Welcome everyone. Today we're going to delve into a topic that's crucial for HR professionals and managers alike: employee onboarding templates. You see, the onboarding process is a critical juncture in a new hire's journey. It sets the tone for their entire tenure within your organization, and when done right, it can significantly contribute to their productivity, job satisfaction, and long-term retention. Now, it's not just about paperwork and formalities. No, it's about equipping them with the right tools, knowledge, and connections they need to hit the ground running. That's where onboarding templates come in handy. They provide a structured, comprehensive guide to ensure no stone is left unturned. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 templates that can streamline your onboarding process and elevate your talent management game. So without further ado, let's dive into these 5 essential onboarding templates. First on our list is the Employee Onboarding Checklist. A quintessential tool in every HR professional's kit, this template offers a comprehensive roadmap to ensure every new employee's transition into your organization is seamless. It's designed to cover all bases, from administrative tasks such as signing contracts and setting up email accounts, to more personal touches like welcoming them into your company culture. What makes this checklist truly shine is its adaptability. It can be tailored to suit any role or industry, making it a versatile resource for organizations of all shapes and sizes. Moreover, it acts as a safety net, ensuring that no vital steps are overlooked during the onboarding process. This template is not just a list, it's an assurance to your new hires that they are valued and that their integration into your team is of utmost importance. The Employee Onboarding Checklist is more than a tool, it's a promise of a smooth journey. This template serves as a great roadmap, guiding you through the onboarding journey. Moving on to our second template, we have Training is Key. Training is the backbone of successful onboarding. It's the moment where new hires learn the ropes and become familiar with their roles. But it's not just about showing them how to do the job. It's about instilling a sense of purpose, a sense of belonging. This is where our template steps in. It provides a structured layout to plan and execute effective training sessions. From outlining objectives and key skills to be taught, to setting up follow-up sessions for reinforcement, this template guides you through every step. It ensures that nothing is left to chance, and that every new hire gets the comprehensive training needed to excel. It's a tool that transforms the daunting task of training into a manageable, systematic process. Remember, well-planned training can make a world of difference in a new hire's productivity and job satisfaction. Our third template is particularly relevant in today's times: the Remote Working Onboarding Template. This innovative tool is designed to tackle the unique challenges that come with remote onboarding. In the absence of physical interactions, it's essential to ensure that new hires feel connected, understood, and well-equipped to work from their personal spaces. This template focuses on virtual introductions, setting up of necessary software and hardware, remote training sessions, and fostering a sense of belonging within the team, even when miles apart. It also emphasizes on the necessity of clear communication channels and regular check-ins to ensure that the new remote employees are not just working, but thriving. The beauty of the Remote Working Onboarding Template lies in its ability to adapt to the changing work environment. It ensures that distance does not become a hindrance in the seamless integration of new hires into your organization. In the era of remote work, this template is a must-have in your onboarding toolkit. Last but not least, we have 2 templates that go hand in hand: role-specific onboarding and continuous feedback. These are the finishing touches that can turn a good onboarding process into a great one. Let's start with role-specific onboarding. The reality is, a one-size-fits-all approach to onboarding just doesn't cut it. Each role within an organization has unique responsibilities, skills, and knowledge requirements. Role-specific onboarding recognizes this and ensures that newcomers are equipped with all the necessary tools they need to excel in their specific roles. Think of it like a bespoke suit. It's tailored to fit perfectly and helps you look your best. But how does it work? This template provides a structured framework to tackle role-specific training, from understanding the job's ins and outs, mastering required skills, to integrating into the team and culture. It's a roadmap that guides new hires as they navigate their roles, ensuring they are well prepared to contribute meaningfully to your organization. Now, let's move on to continuous feedback. In the world of talent management, feedback is a gift. It's the compass that points the way to improvement and growth. During the onboarding process, continuous feedback helps new hires to adjust, learn, and grow faster. It creates a culture of open communication, where strengths are recognized and areas for improvement are addressed constructively. This continuous feedback template is a helpful tool to facilitate this process. It offers a systematic approach to providing regular, constructive feedback to new hires. It encourages open communication, fosters a growth mindset, and helps build a supportive and engaging work environment. Together, these two templates, role-specific onboarding and continuous feedback, form a powerful duo. They ensure that every new hire is not only onboarded effectively, but also supported throughout their journey in your organization. With these two templates, you can ensure a personalized, dynamic onboarding experience that sets up new hires for success. And there you have it, the top 5 employee onboarding templates that can boost your talent management skills. These tools are not just sheets of paper or digital forms, but strategic guides that can shape the future of your organization. They help you to effectively integrate new hires into your team, ensuring they feel valued and equipped to perform at their best. Our journey today took us through the employee onboarding checklist, the training is key template, the remote working onboarding guide, the role-specific onboarding, and the continuous feedback model. Each of these templates serves a unique purpose, yet they all share a common goal: to create a seamless, supportive, and engaging onboarding experience. By implementing these templates, you'll be taking a significant step towards enhancing your talent management strategy, fostering a positive work environment, and ultimately driving your organization's success. Now, we're curious to know, which of these templates did you find most valuable? Drop your responses in the comments below. We're excited to hear your thoughts.